Maybe that's wrong. It's just tilted wrong. No, it's tilted wrong enough, but right. How you doing, everybody? It's November the 30th. So welcome back to the channel. I haven't done a video, must be nearly 5 months. So, right. I just want to say I'm still here, still kicking about. Still in the lock sport. Things changed. I used to have, well, I'm going to show you now. See that there? That's the treadmill. I'll tell you that for a couple of seconds. There used to be locks there, a big bunch of locks. But they've all went into the back bedroom. So, everything's changed. I've been around, say, just health reasons and bits and pieces. But I'm back. For this video, and I just want to show that I'm not away. That's basically the video. Crazy t-shirt. Where death will be the cause of being sarcastic at the wrong time. Lovely t-shirt. Must buy a few more of them. Well, I meant to do that this way. Hi. The reason why I done this video today was Bear's back. He done a video and I'd never seen his face before. And I was talking to Chris Capoon and he says, well, why don't you do the video yourself? Haven't seen your face about the way. So, right, fair enough. So, with that there in mind, I want to show you a lock. Now, I don't know why this is real or not. It's a fake or not. Oh, 2 seconds. Let's see if I can get this. I'm right back. Now, this here is a squire. Okay. Now, again, I don't know. Now, it's an odd looking squire. Very, very thin there. And that's the key. Okay. Oh, let's see if I've got. Trying to find everything here. That's the key to it there. It's a proper squire. Okay. Now, again, I don't know whether it's a fake or not. Now, this here's the way it goes here. Oh, I have it going that way. Maybe it was right the first time. Oh, right, it was. Right. Goes out, goes there. Now, it sticks a wee bit here now. And then you turn it around, I got there. Now, you can see, well, it's got them two wee fat slots there. And that there basically goes in the gut there. Oh, sorry, I'm taking this away from you. Sorry for that, sorry. And it goes in like that. And then, I get this right yet. Right. So, a bit sticky. Now, I want to show you this bit here. This here moves for some reason. I don't know why. It's a bit sticky on it. See this wee bit here? This wee bit here, this moves. Now, obviously that could be just with age. And if it's not aligned up properly, this doesn't go in properly. It doesn't go in. Doesn't go in properly. Now, the reason why I want to show you this lock is because, again, is it a fake or is it real? And is it old? Because I have never seen a squire that got there before in my life. Now, there's people out there I know in the community that specialise in squires, and they can be fit to tell me why this is fake or old or both. It's a no fake. Even by the letter, no, by the lettering. Again, that's the bottom of it there. And I say, that's the shape of it there. So, I know it'd be sort of a thing, but nice. Right. As I say, out there, and this is one side that I'm still not away. I'm not leaving the lock sport. I'll not be doing another video now for another couple of months because I'm expecting stuff from America, and I've told that person not to send it over until mid-January because over to Northern Ireland here now it's just starting to get a wee bit sort of chaotic. Trying to get stuff in out basically. So anyway, there'll be another video probably about another 2 months time. But as again, I haven't left. You still see this ugly mug about yet for an hour anyway. God will. Right everybody. I hope to see you soon, and God willing, I will be here in the new year to make the life videos. Right, everybody. If I don't see you, don't make another video. Have a happy New Year and happy Christmas and a New Year. Right, take care. Bye bye.